Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just want to say a big thank you for everyone who's subscribed, and then if you haven't subscribed, if you can, that would be great. But today's clean, we've got a resin driveway. This was turbo nozzled a few years back by someone else, so they've got me in and sort of showed them the service by a previous video, and then they was really happy to sort of see the way I'd done it, so they decided to go just from my YouTube video, which is obviously one reason why I do these videos. Just helps me promote my business and the sort of kit I use. But what you haven't seen is we've cut in around the edge. I say we, I mean me. I've cut around the edge, and then I X-jetted all over, but with the resin it just sunk straight through, but it'll sort of seep through in a bit, you'll see. Now I've got the flat surface cleaner out. I'll start off going vertically, if that's the word, and then horizontal after, as you can see. This is basically just sort of getting rid of all the grime and moss in between. So I'll get cracking with this and I'll catch up in a bit. As you can see from all the funky colours, I actually do wear a lot of PPE, the gloves, visor, chemical mask, and obviously all the overalls that are waterproof. It's just definitely a big thing for me, especially with sodium hypochlorite. It's just something you don't want on your skin or breathing any of the vapours. We're on the rinsing down now. As you can see, I've already done it twice on this part. I've probably done it more than that, I just didn't film it. Trying to just get an even result, but that's just resin surface for you, being so porous. It just makes it that bit harder to rinse down. But yeah, I mean, give it a few good goes and it's coming up looking great. Yeah, so I'm going to crack on with that. As you can see, I'm scooping up all the moss and content. It's very sludgy, and that drain was absolutely tiny, but it didn't clog up, which I was really surprised. I think it's because, like I said, it can't really go anywhere, and it was easy enough just to scoop up, no problem at all. Yeah, a little half and half for you. And now back on with the surface cleaner. I've got a 20-inch whirl away, and it just saved me a lot of time. Just allows me to cover a sort of a large area in no time at all. Now for the grand reveal. The customer's already booked in for next year, which is obviously a great feeling. I was well happy with it, and if you want to stick around, drop a comment, that'd be great. Also, you know, I've got an outro with the family. We're off to the farm. Enjoy. You at the farm?
Look at that.
What is it?
There's a big one. Look at that.
You want the red one?
I have the one.
There you go. Hello. Hello.
Oh, what is that?
Sheep. Bear.
Oh, that one. Oh, those.
You want the blue one? I have them both.
Theo, look at mummy.
Cheese. Look at Daddy.
Theo. Quite nice, he's actually enjoying it this time.
Yeah.
What done there, Theo?
Go down here. Look. There you go. Tip it. Sing again. More. Yay. Bit more. Yeah, look, they're hungry.
No, no.
I'm not hungry. Oh!
Got to say something.
Poor piggy.
It's all gone now.
The little one.
Oi.
Oi.
Can feed it.
Wow.
Oh, that.
Sally sheep. Or is it Susie sheep?
Come over.
What is that? Look, these chickens.
Who's in there?
Where?
Hello?
I didn't
Can't go
know.
in.
I can't come in.
The chicken house, you're not allowed in there.
I don't put it on there.
Yep, all the food's gone.
It's more.
Pardon?
It's more.
Nice thinking. I like that. Daddy's a bit tight sometimes. That's where you get it from. We're not paying for another bucket, we'll recycle.
Theo, look, see if it's there.
Right, doing well, mate. Carrot Central.
Good best cat.
Ugh. Just licked his nose.
Say move.
I'm not going to get that bucket either.
Oh, look, push it
Oh,
back
there you
on
go.
isn't it? We're going to poop now, isn't it?
Watch out, I might fart on your head. Hands out. They're sunbathing. They're sunbathing. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
Please try.